So in this video, we're going to chant the Lord's Aramaic prayer, which is the prayer that contains the mysteries of the universe, the mysteries of life and death, all of the wisdom codes of the divine feminine presence, this prayer just awakens the sacred relationship and partnership that we have with Eloha, the divine mother father. And you can see below, you have the words, you have the translation, which is nothing like what we have learned. And what I want to do is I want to say the words so that you know how to pronounce them. And at first it might be a little bit difficult, the pronunciation, but you will get it little by little as you chant it more and more every day. So I am going to use the shruti. I didn't bring my drum, I didn't travel with my drum because I needed to make space for many things that I'm bringing back to my home in Spain. So I'm going to say the words, the pronunciation, and you can maybe listen and try to repeat. Avum de Bishmaya, Nek de Dash Shishmaya, Tite Malkuta, Neoe Sevianak, Aikana de Bashmaya, Akbahara, Hablan Lachma, de Sulkana, Nia Humana, Bashbuka Lanahawai, Aikana Dafechna, Eshvachna lehavian, ulatalan lemesyuna, elatashan menbish. So let's chant. and exhale. Aha.